guys, we're back with my 41 project. We got the truck in the garage and it's nice and warm. We're gonna start disassembling all that we can off of this. We're gonna disassemble the fenders, the steering column, the bed, and I have put my budget to $1,000. So let's get started. If you want to say anything.
Yeah, we're going to start probably pulling the wheels off this thing, getting it on some jack stands. That way we can work around this front end. It won't be near as bad as when we took the parts truck apart outside. Being in here, it's a lot easier to get things done more efficient, more quick. So I guess we'll start probably right here on the agenda today. The biggest thing is to get this front end off because we don't want to use these fenders. But we do, however, want to use headlights. So we need the fenders off, get the headlights off of them, and we want to use this grille. I don't know, that's going to be a doozy trying to get this grille out of here and keep it in one piece. It's in good shape overall, but you know, the bottom of it is like a lot of the stuff you pull out of these junkyards and people's barns and backyards. It's rusty and it's brittle. Well, we're going to do the best we can. We're going to go at this thing all day today. It's raining outside, so it's a good day to do this. Try to get the running board off, get the bed disattached from the frame, if it's still even attached anywhere. We may just pick it up and set it off. I don't know, we'll see. Hopefully that's the case, so we don't have to get into a bunch there. However, this cab's in a lot better shape than the parts cab was. This one has both its doors on it, has all its glass in it. Both doors operate as they should, open and close. The door panels are in good shape. The dash is good in this truck. So, and the cab, overall cab part of this truck's in good shape. We're going to have to make a couple of rockers for it. We're going to make them over there using the brake. We're going to get in some bead roller stuff with this truck. Some English wheel stuff. You're going to see a vast array of all kinds of fabrication being done here to tighten this cab up and get it ready for the road. And like he said, we're on a budget. This is his project. This is coming out of his pocket. I fronted the trucks. You front the money. That's the way I like it. Let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's see what we can get done today.
All right, let's go.
Stack it on top of the other one over there.
Okay.
Can you see the size on that tire? Now you need some 16-inch tires for rollers. Oh, I gotta take, let's do that. We need to take some bolts out the rest of the way. Take them two front bolts out. Set this side down, go to the other side and take that other bolt out front. Alright, go. Here, you come over on this side and I'll come around. We're going to pick straight up, go straight forward, and then go around.
Okay.
Back on what you got. Alright, go around. Now, next is fenders. That was a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
Somebody welded the fender to the running board. It's awesome. So we're going to have to cut that. That's what he's going to do right now. Alright, he's got that cut. So now the front end's ready, should be ready to come off there. We just got to wait on some more help now, so till some more help gets here to help us set that off, we'll go to the inside and start removing that tank. Go ahead and open that door up right there. And you'll remember what that was like probably from when we took the tank out of the parts truck.
Yeah.
You have all them bars.
Yeah. You have to burn them to get them off and all that. But it's an easy thing to do.
It should come out pretty quick. These don't look as bad as the other ones did. Well, he's got some headlight wires under there that's got to be cut.
Well, you got some more on both sides. Yeah.
There you go. I got the headlight. I already did the headlight. And these should have been all.
Oh, it's got to be cut right here. Is that everything?
Yeah, they should be. All the wires are cut over here.
Alright. We're getting the front. We're going right here.
And just,
Be easy with that front end. Are we hung over on something?
You got a
no, it's not.
No, it's not. Come on out as far as you can. Well, that was way easier than that other one, wasn't it? Alright. Axle and everything here is connected on this firewall to this engine. Cut it, unbolt it, break it off, get rid of it.
Okay.
All that stuff's got to come off now. Is that it? Would move it off? Oh yeah. You don't need no breaker bar.
Always look so cool with the front off of it.
D12 5/8 axle. You get that back off?
With the wrench.
I've got it. We're going to need a D12 5/8 for the inside. I need to save this right here.
Can I just spread out?
No, there's a jam nut on the inside. Or take that jam nut on the inside out or off, and then it just pulls off. I wanted to run this, you know, try to clean that up by running them bolts back, because we want to put new nuts. Because this part here, I'd like to say, we can straighten it a little bit, clean it up, paint it, look good. Bird's nest. You're gonna find dirt dauber's nest and probably rat's nest and every other kind of nest. This other one's not in bad shape either. It's got a big hole right in the center of it. But that ain't nothing. We're probably going to have to take that much out of it anyway when we shrink the bed on this thing.
Is that where it would have connected to that rod underneath?
Yeah, that, see the foot right there? That holds it, the bracket. It just rusted right through that.
I was saying that this frame is in good condition for what it is.
Well, the whole truck's kind of in good condition for what it is.
Yeah.
Where's the flashlight? That's hot. Man. That went right down my shirt.
You ever seen him do that face?
Golly, bum. That thing burnt me all the way down from the boobs. Almost burnt through my shirt. Man.
That's what I feel like when I land under the courthouse welding on that Honda. Oh man. You got that big stick. I don't want to talk about that.
That's rough.
I'm gonna pop this thing.
I need a hammer and a punch.
You said you needed a punch and what?
I have a hammer and a punch. You doing anything?
Getting ready to take the steering column out.
Take the steering column out. Going around here with the camera so everybody can see.
You want? Oh, you have to. I don't like to bring it out. I'm gonna take all this off, I guess. If you want to slide it all out.
Hold this fender right here. Alright, there's the bed fender. Now the bed should be ready to set off now. Just get it where you can get it. We're running out of room. See if you can kind of lay it, drape it over top of that other one. There you go. Crossways. Probably sit better crossways. Well, we got a pile of parts in here today. Ooh. Okay.
Hammer down.
That's it.
There.
Now take your two hands and pop that thing from the back side up, that steering wheel.
So we're supposed to don't bust yourself in the mouth or anything.
Yeah.
Just take a hit on it. Steering wheel.
Hey, you need to pop it like this. Take your two hands, pop it. There you go.
Not good.
Well, Matt put a puller on it.
When you sitting up.
Alright, we're ready to take this bed off now. He's really moving along with this little truck today. So we're going to set the bed off outside out of the way till time comes that we need it. That way it's just not on here in our way when we're working on this cab. Tyler, you gonna grab from the back? Ready? We're in good shape now. Bed off. So now they're taking out the clutch, brake, and gas pedal. And after they get that, we just got, well, the cab mounts. And this cab will be ready to set off. But we're not going to take it off today. We're going to get it ready to come off, and then we're going to do our metal work and get this cab solid, and then we'll take it off when we get the donor in here and get the cab off it. We'll be ready to just set this cab straight up, set it right on. Hopefully in the same day, what we're hoping. Now, as far as that steering column fiasco, we ended up having to cut it, unfortunately. The only thing we've really had to cut today, other than just a few bolts, which is still pretty good. I mean, you know, hated to do that, but when you start working with this old stuff, sometimes that is what it is. But we're making great progress getting this thing tore down. We're almost done with it as far as the teardown goes. You're almost through there. Cool handle. That's a really cool handle. Get that floor fan up?
No, it flathead's just eating it out. Can't get nothing with a bite on it.
Let me come over and look at it.
Do that again.
Yeah. That almost looked like I knew what I was doing, didn't it? Now we got to take out the starter knob right there, or foot pedal. Yeah, 9/16, so we'll have to take it off from out here. And it's kind of like my 48 OGR car. And right here, it is convenient with everything being off the front end. You got to get down right in there, and right where it comes through, this is that bar right here, and it connects here and pushes. When you step on it, it pushes and engages the solenoid right here. So I'm going to take it loose back there. We'll get it out of the way. He's taking those two bolts out, and that will completely disassemble that starter pedal, so the whole pan and all can come out in there.
You want to tell them about that wishbone that's doubled over?
Yeah, that's what I was doing. Yeah, that starter bar is not just goes out to the starter. It actually loops over the other side of the transmission. That's where he's at right now. 2 9mm bolts right there. Once you take those two out and the two that I took out on the other side, that whole assembly will come out, and it just crosses over the top of the transmission. Alright, now that whole assembly should pop up. If you take that pry bar and pry that whole thing up, and then I'll pull it from the inside out. he got the panel out now. I'm going to show you. This is the back side of the panel. It's your brake switch right here. And this is that starter assembly right here. Of course, this is your gas pedal right here. Your brake pedal goes in right here. This panel's in exceptionally good condition, and we'll be able to reuse it. So we'll get all the rest of this gobbledygook we won't need off here, and then maybe we can clean this up and reuse it. So put that over there with the usable part. And now that really opens up the inside of the cab for us now. So let's go take a look inside there now at what we have. Get you guys in here, and right here you can see everything is open now. So as far as all that's concerned, the cab's ready to come off. As far as all that, now we need to just get all this stuff here out of here. Let's get it all disconnected, get it all out. We've got our cab bolts, which I think the 2 cab bolts in the back are actually rusted through. You're going to run the jack, and I'm going to go over here and run up the board. Grab me the flashlight, actually. I don't know what's going on right here with this cab mount. Okay, I see now. You can let that down.
Hey guys, today we took off the front of the truck, and this right here is about to come off, and the back, it's off too. So we've got a lot done today, and it's really good condition. Next time we're gonna be working on the metal work and the hinge right here. See, it's completely broken off right there.
You can see it right here where it's broke off in there. We'll have to fix that. That'll be the next thing we fix.
Yeah. Well, we've got the steering column off and all that. This is the stuff I'm gonna throw away. All of that.
I don't know how good you can see in here, but all this is disassembled, cleaned out. See, we've got some holes right there. We got a patch, a hole in the cab corner there. We've got to get these plates here off, but everything up under here and the cab is completely loose.
Yeah. This is my keep pile over there. Whole bunch of stuff.
These are all the parts we'll keep, except for those front fenders. Well, we don't know. We're going to do something with them front fenders, but yeah, we got another truck sitting over here on the floor.
Yeah.
But overall, pretty good day. We got everything disassembled now. We're ready to start in on the metal work. That'll be next time, the metal work.
Yep.
We got lucky today, started in on this. Jimmy came by, Bubba came and helped us. So we really got a lot knocked out. So we're ready now to stick some wheels on this where we can roll it in and out and start on the metal work. So yeah, it's moving along, moving pretty quick now. We're getting on it. So stay tuned for next time.
Yeah.
On this. But I guess, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
You gonna close it out?
If you like what I do, like and subscribe, and hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you.
Yep. We appreciate you guys. Check out our Facebook page. We'll catch you here next time on this budget cab swap build. Y'all have a good weekend.